Good morning, students. Today in your English class we will discuss your chapter number 6. Its name is Nouns Number. So as you know very well about that, in my earlier video I have already told you about that what is noun number. Okay, now today we will discuss about that how we changing a singular noun into its plural form. So let's start. First, two rules I have already tell you, which is on your page number 29, and today we are going to start its number 3. So let's start. First of all, everybody will take out their book on your page number 30. Changing a singular noun into its plural form. Rules third is singular noun that end in O. The singular noun which end in O letter, we make their plural by adding es. We make their plural by adding es. The singular noun which end with O letter, when we make their plurals, we adding es at the end. But not all such words follow this rule. Some we adding s to make their plurals. But not all the words which end with O letters not follow such rules. Some also that end with we only add s. For example, volcano, volcanoes, volcano that ending here O. So that's why we are making its plural by adding es. Second is mango. So its plural is mangoes. We are adding same letter is here es. Next is zero. That's also ending with O. But we are not putting es to make its plural. We are only write here zeros, because the zero is including in such types of word. Next is photo. That's also and with O letter. But here we are also putting only s. So its plural is photos. Next is rule number 4. Singular nouns that end in F. The singular nouns which end in F letter or FE. The F or FE is changed into V. So during that time we change F or FE into V and ES is added, and we add ES after changing F or FE into V, we are added ES. But some words that take an S to form plural, but some words only take S to make their plural. We are not changing them. Such words are, for example, leaf. So here leaf ended with F. So we make its plural. We change F into V. Okay, and what we are adding here? Es. So leaf plural will be leaves. Second is knife. That also ended with fe. I already tell you the noun which ended with f or fe. So here knife ended it with fe. So we make its plural. F or fe will change into v and we add es. So its plural will be knife. Second is root. So here also it's end with f, but that including in such type of words which we are not added es and we are not changing f in v. So that's why we will make its plural by adding s only. So root plural will be roofs. And second, gulf also. So it will be also gulfs. Okay students. Next is rule number 6. It is if a noun end in y. If a singular noun which is end in y letter and has a consonant before it, and before y if you are getting a consonant. Consonant students, you know there are 26 letters in English. So 5 are vowel and remaining 21 are consonant. So same as in Hindi you also getting the consonant is known as Vyanjan. जो कॉन्सोनेंट है उसे हम व्यंजन कहते हैं, और जो वावल होते हैं आपके 5 इंग्लिश में वो स्वर कहलाते हैं. So here if you are getting before y a consonant, then the y changes to is. Then we change y into is. If the noun ends in y and has a vowel before it. If the noun ends, if singular noun ends in y and before it you are getting a vowel, then we add only s. So during that time, in that situation, we are only add s. So let's see its example. For example, fly. That fly you are getting. So y before you are getting here consonant l. So that's why we are making y into is. We are changing it. So your word will be fly, plural will be flies. Second is city. Here before y you are also getting t. यहाँ भी आपके पास y से पहले t है. So that's why we will change it into is. So plural will be of city is cities. Next is story. Same things you are getting here. Y before r consonant. So stories. Is you will add to make its plural. Second is toy. Here before y you are getting o. O is your vowel. A, E, I, O, U. There are 5 vowels in English. So here y before you are getting o. So that's why we will only add s. We will not add is here, because before y we are getting here o. So your toy plural will be toys. Next is ray. Here same things you are getting before y a. So here you will make its plural rays. Second is monkey. Before y you are getting e vowel. So same things you will do here. You will add only s. So monkeys you will write. I hope you all are understood very well this rule also. Next is if some compound words we make the first word a plural. In some compounds word, if you are getting some compounds word, during that time we make the first word a plural. So हम क्या करते हैं, जो उसका first word होता है उसी को plural बनाते हैं. For example, passer by. Here this is your compound word, compound noun. Okay, sister-in-law, brother-in-law, son-in-law. Okay, so same thing you are getting. So during that time they are your compound noun. ये आपके compound words है. So compound words में आप क्या करोगे, जो आपका पहला word होता है वो ही हम plural form में बनाते हैं. So here passer by. So you will write here passers by. So you will put only s. Okay, passer is your first word. So that's why you are putting here s. Passer by. Second is son-in-law. So here you will also do same thing. Your first word is here son. आपका पहला शब्द यहाँ क्या है, son. और हम क्या करते हैं, जो पहला शब्द होता है, पहला वर्ड होता है, उसी को plural बनाते हैं. So that's why we are putting here sons in law. Okay students, next is some nouns do not follow any rules. They have a completely different plural form. Some nouns which are not follow any rules, they have a completely plural form in itself. For example, men. We are using men words for a one man, and men, men, we are using more than one. And woman, for one woman we are using the spelling women, yeah, woman. Woman. And when we make its plural, women, same as in men and women also. The difference only a and e. Man, man is we are using only one person. Okay, and men we are using more than one, means it's plural. And same as in woman also, woman, and its plural will be woman. For example, man means man. We are using man for singular, and plural we are using more than one. We are using men. Its plural will be men, because these words are not follow such rules. Next is child. For one child we are using the word singular child, and more than one we are using its plural children. Clear everyone? Next is tooth. For one tooth, and its plural will be teeth. Clear everyone? We are making double O, double E here. Next is oaks, means singular, and its plural will be oxen. Clear everyone? So next is rule is 8. Some singular nouns do not change their form when they become plural. In some plural nouns, we are not changing their form. Means some singular noun are not follow the rules of changement when we make its plural. कई सिंगुलर नाउन ऐसे होते हैं जिनको हम प्लूरल बनाते समय उनको चेंज नहीं करते हैं. वी आर पुटिंग सेम एज. फॉर एग्जाम्पल डियर. डियर वी आर यूजिंग इन सिंगुलर ऑल्सो डियर एंड प्लूरल ऑल्सो. सी, फिश, spacecraft and furniture, etc. Now in your book, students, you are getting a exercise. Your exercise is mentioned on your page number 31. Question is, fill in the blanks by choosing the correct form of noun given in the brackets. Here you are getting 1 to 10 sentences and they are blank. So 2 words you are getting singular and plural nouns. So you have to choose best one. First sentence is, Mrs. San has 4. Noun is child or children. So what will you put here, children? You will fill here children because you are getting 4 means plural form. So you have to write here plural noun. Next is second. Blank love playing with rattles. So baby and baby's word you are getting. यहाँ आपको baby और baby's words मिला है. So what will you put here? Babies love playing with rattles. Next is third number sentence. I saw a. A means egg. Okay. Here I saw a mouse या mice running by. So what will you put here? A mouse यानी एक mouse के बारे में बात कर रहा है यहाँ पर. Okay. So that means singular noun you will put here. Next is fourth number sentence. I love flying blank. Kite and kites. So I love flying kite. Okay. So here you will fill kite. Next is sentence number 5. Avi gave blank to his friends. So Avi gave watch to his friend. Next is, because we are follow such type of noun also with our subject. 6 number sentence is, I kept some blank in my pencil stand. So I kept some. So some words you are getting here. So what will you put here? Pencil or pencils? You will put here pencils. Okay, कुछ pencils मैंने रखी. 7 is, the girl gave a red. So here girl gave a red. A red. So flower या flowers. So you will put here a red flower. Singular noun you will put. To her teacher. Next is 8 number sentence. Himanshu drank 6 blank of water. So here 6 you are getting. So glass you will put here or glasses. So students you will put here glasses of water. Next is 9 number sentence. I gave 2. Here you are getting 2. So more than 1 we are putting plural. So here you will put mangoes. I gave 2 mangoes to the child to eat. So here mangoes you will put. 10 is, there are 5 blank and. So there are 5 men. Man plural will be men. Okay, 5 men and 1. 1 you are getting woman in that team. So WOMAN woman you will put here. Next question is A. Change the singular noun to plural and the plural noun to singular. What will you do students here? You have to change. आपको क्या करना है यहाँ पे? Changes करने हैं. जो सेंटेंस के अंदर सिंगुलर नाउन है उनको प्लूरल बनाना है और जो प्लूरल नाउन है उनको सिंगुलर में लिखना है. मेक अदर नेसेसरी चेंजेस एंड अदर नेसेसरी चेंजेस जो है वो भी करने अकॉर्डिंग टू सब्जेक्ट. वन हैज बीन डन फॉर यू. एक सेंटेंस फॉर एग्जाम्पल पर आपकी बुक में ऑलरेडी सॉल्व है. फर्स्ट इज क्वेश्चन 1. द वुमेन टोल्ड स्टोरीज टू द चिल्ड्रन. सो हियर द वुमेन वर्ड इज हियर योर, दैट इज योर प्लूरल. Told stories. Stories also your plural. To the children. Children also here plural. So those are given in sentence plural that you will make singular. If singular is given, then you will do its plural. Reverse you will do. That question, students, you have to solve in your notebook, because in your book you are not getting enough space. So a question you will solve in your notebook, which is given on your page number 31. I have already mentioned here answer. So how you will do in your notebook? Firstly, you will write question, means its sentence. Then you will write its answer. One sentence I have already mentioned. Firstly, you will mention question, then answer. Same as second, you will mention question sentence, then its answer. I have mentioned only answer here. You will do question with answer in your notebook. So second sentence is here. First is the woman told stories to the children. So it's singular you will make. The woman, M-A-N, told a story. Here story is given plural, so you will make it singular. So a story to the children, और children का क्या आएगा singular? Child. Clear everyone? Next question is the leaf fell from the trees. Leaf आपका singular है यहाँ पर, और tree भी singular है. So आप क्या करोगे, इन दोनों को plural में convert करोगे. So you will write the leaves. F for F, E को हम किस में change करते हैं? V में. और what we are adding then? ES. और उसके बाद हम ES add कर देते हैं. So here also the leaves fell. Fell is your verb second form. Okay. Fall, fell. From the trees. Or here trees given in your question. So you will put here trees. It's plural. Clear? Now third number sentence is the boy listened to the radios. The boy is your singular, so you will make boys plural, and radios is your plural. Radios आपका plural word है, तो आप इसको किस में लिखोगे? Singular में लिखोगे. So what will you do in sentence number third? The boys listen to the radio. So here radios is singular and boy is plural. Next is sentence number 4. Fourth is the girls played with the goose. So here girls is plural and goose is singular. So you will change that. For sentence how you will do? You will write here the girl. Girls plural, singular will be girl. Played with the geese. Goose plural will be geese. Okay. Next is fifth number sentence. The cherry grew on the tree. So here cherry finish with Y. So Y we are changing in I and we are also putting into ES. So cherries because before Y, यहाँ Y से पहले आपके पास consonant है R. So here you will make its plural. The cherries grew on the trees. Tree plural will. Now sentence 6 is the mason used a spade to work on the roof. The mason होता है यहाँ पे मिस्त्री, ओके, जो घर बनाते हैं. यूज इज spade होता है कुदाल या फावड़ा जिसे आप बोलते हैं. To work on the roof. So here it plural will be the masons. As you will put here use spades. Here spades. As you will put spade, plural will be spades. To work on the roofs. और यहाँ पे roof का plural क्या आएगा? Roofs. Next sentence is 7. Seventh sentence is the boys attended the parties with their cousins. So here the boys plural है आपका, तो यहाँ पे आपको singular बनाना है. The boy attended the party. Here parties are given plural, so you will make it plural. आपको क्वेश्चंस में क्या करना है? जो singular है उनके plural बनाने हैं और जो plural है उनको singular. Clear? So here parties are given plural, so you will make it singular. Party with their cousin. Cousins are given in your question, so you will also write here cousin. 1 for 1. Next is 8 number sentence. The man looked after the ox and the buffaloes. So here the man M-A-N is given. Its plural will be M-E-N. The man looked after the oxen and the buffaloes you will write. Ox plural will be oxen and buffaloes will be buffaloes. Next sentence is 9. The man traveled across the city. So here the man M-A-N is given. So here its singular will be a man in sentence number 9. The man traveled across the cities. City plural will be cities, you will write. Next 10 number sentence is the hunter chased the deer. Chased means होता है फटकारना, डांटना. So here the hunters chased the deer. Deer का singular plural same ही रहता है. I already tell you some words we are not changing like deer, furniture. So student, that exercise you will solve in your notebook. Thank you.